Hi, in this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi name and password on the Huawei E5573 modem. First thing you need to do is to open AI Life app on your smartphone. Wait a moment. Tap on the modem. Then tap on the Wi-Fi settings. And there you can change Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Tap on the fix sign to confirm changes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.